Hi, this is Chris Cool with Geeks on Tour, and I have a tip for you about putting special apps into special folders. I have a lot of travel apps, and I wonder if your screens look anything like mine. I have travel apps on the first screen and on the second screen and on the third screen, and I never remember their names. I want to put them all in one place. And that's called a folder. And I'm going to show you how, both on an iPhone and on an Android. So here's my iPhone. And notice I have 4 apps on this home screen that are travel apps. All I have to do is long press on one of them. If I long press on the RV Parky, and then I keep holding down, everything starts to wiggle. And I can just drag it on top of the next one. That has created a folder. Now that everything is still wiggling, I can just drag the next app into that same folder. And this one. It can be a little tricky. And notice it already called the folder travel based on the items I put in it. Now there's some on the next screen though. This one, Togo RV. I hold down on it and then bump up against the edge. Like I say, it can be a little tricky, but it works. I also have a travel app on my very last screen, this one called iOverlander. Long press, and you can also just tap on Edit Home Screen. But no, if you keep touching on the app, it will start wiggling all on its own. Okay, so now it's wiggling, and I can drag that, bump up against the left screen until I'm all the way back to the beginning, and then drop it in that folder. There we go. And when you're done, you press the home button. Now I have all of my travel apps, or at least some of them. I have more than that, but that'll do. Now on an Android, it works pretty much the same way. This is my Samsung Note 9, and on this screen, there's the iOverlander, there's Road Trippers. So I will touch and hold, and then just drag. They don't wiggle on the Android. You just touch and hold and then drag them up. This one is asking me for a folder name, so I will type travel. And done. Back out to the main screen. Now RV Parky needs to be dragged into that folder. There. You just kind of have to touch the edge. Now I think, oh, there's another one, all stays. Touch and hold. Drag to just touch the edge of the folder and let go. And there's a couple more on this screen. Touch and hold, drag over, touch the edge of the folder. And the last one, where am I? Love that one. Come on. When that gets too tricky to drag an item into the folder, Android gives us another way. You can open the folder and you can tap plus, and that is looking at your list of all apps alphabetically. So where am I? I can tap the W and I will see where am I, and done. You could also have selected several in there and now it's added. But realize that that's added it again to the home screen. So here is the original. I can long press on that and remove from home. Now you can also move the whole folder. I mean, if I decide that I want to travel on my last screen, I can touch and hold and drag the whole folder over. And that's how you put all your special apps together in one special place called a folder.